Hi. We're going to practice with a slightly irregular, actually irregular in a multiplicity of ways, regular verb in the present tense, tener, and we're going to practice conjugation. So we're just going to learn the forms. Regular AR verbs, regular ER and IR verbs are much simpler. We have stems and endings. That's not what this is. So this is essentially an audio file, talking head video, talking head with a Barcelona hat. And we are conjugating the verb tener in the present tense. So a very useful verb. You use it to say that you have something, as in that you possess something. And you also use it to say that you have to do something. In English, we put the word to after it to say that we have an obligation to get a particular thing done. In Spanish, we use the three-letter word que, Q-U-E. So, yo tengo que hacer, I have to do. All right, so let's start out. We're just suggesting to you how to fill in this one page of notes. We're treating it as guided notes. Part 1, complete the table with the conjugation of the verb tener in the present. The yo form is tengo, T-E-N-G-O. The to form is tienes, T-I-E-N-E-S. The usted form is tiene, T-I-E-N-E, and the L and ea form is also tiene. So you have actually 4 boxes on the left. The first person form, the two different second person forms, the two different words that mean you, what form goes with them, and the third person form, the L and ea form. You'll notice that the usted form is always going to be identical to the L and ea form. On this particular chart, we don't have the vosotros form as we look at the plural forms of tener, but we'll give you the rest of them. The nosotros form is tenemos, T-E-N-E-M-O-S. The ustedes form is tienen, T-I-E-N, one syllable, and the other syllable, en, tienen. And the ellos and ellas form is tienen. You'll notice that the ustedes form and the ellos and ellas form, again, are identical. So, knowing those forms and knowing that they indicate what type of form you use with a particular type of subject, let's complete the following sentences with the verb tener. Los profesores blank muchos estudiantes. The teachers have many students. The teachers is a third person plural subject, so it's los profesores tienen, with an N, muchos estudiantes. Yo no tengo muchas tareas hoy. Mi amiga Claudia, that's third person singular, so it's tiene. So mi amiga Claudia tiene 3 hermanas. Do you have guitar class today? ¿Tú tienes clase de guitarra hoy? So ending in an S. Mi hermano y yo tenemos 2 caballos. My brother and I have 2 horses, one for each of us. It's the nosotros form, though. It's first person plural. The subject includes the person that's speaking. Mi hermano y yo tenemos 2 caballos. Mi papá tiene muchos libros en su biblioteca. We're talking about my dad, mi papá, so it's like using el. Mis primos tienen videojuegos que me gustan. My cousins have video games that I like, that please me. Nosotros tenemos una casa en California. We have a house in California. Yo no tengo tiempo de ir al cine hoy. I don't have time to go to the movie theater today. Yo no tengo. Número 10. Ustedes tienen un carro que podemos usar. Ending in N. Tienen. And number 11. Nosotros tenemos una casa pequeña. We have a small house. T-E-N-E-M-O-S.